Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change Genshin Impact password. Now to do that, what you need to do is you need to first open a Google browser on your PC or in your laptop and then click open new tab. There on the search bar, you type in genshin.hoyoverse.com and press enter. This will open the official web page where you need to get logged into the account first. To do that, you need to go and tap on the home icon over here on the top right. Click on that. This will direct you to the home page where you need to get logged in. As you can see, I am already logged in into my account. If you are not logged in, you provide the account credential, that is your username, email, and then password. Make sure that you type in the correct account credential. Once you are logged in and you're at this page on your screen, you go click on this option over here and then click on account. And once you open the accounts on the Hoyoverse page, you go to the account security setting at the menu on the left. Tap that. Then here you scroll down to the change password option and then click on switch. You can verify your account via following method. So there is a process for you to change your password. First thing is verification. There's two ways how you can do it. If you have provided phone number, you can do the phone verification as well. So I'm gonna go to the email verification only. For that, click on send over here and they will send a code to the email address of yours. Before that, you need to complete the captcha over here. Once all that is done, they will send the code to the mail of yours. So click open new tab and open Gmail over here once more. There's the mail on the top. Now all you have to do is copy this code from here. Just copy this code over here, click on copy and paste it on this text box and then click on next. This will verify the email address of yours, which will give you the option to change the password to a new one. Type in the new password on the text box over here. You need to re-enter the same password as above for confirmation and then click on confirm. And with that, your account change password is completed and you have been logged out. Now you provide the email address of yours. Then you type in the new updated password of your account, the password that you have just changed to. Then click on this checkbox and click on login. With that, you have been logged in into the account of yours. So this is a way how you can change password in Genshin Impact. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.